making me hate you. Probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to let you anymore. It hurts me to the core. I'm what you look for. It's not overdue. Over you. 402 deja vu. I thought I was psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues. That's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. Almost like